Hey guys, you can see here how the mosquitoes were trapped, and not only mosquitoes, you can trap even bugs as well. Let's check out this product. It's interesting, right? Hello, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? As you see in the picture, this is called bug zapper or mosquito lamp. It's available in Amazon stores at 70% off. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can purchase it. As the Great Indian Festival is going on right now, you can do a well more discount and buy it. As you see in the picture, this is how the packing was. As we unbox this product, this is how it looks. It is portable, it is safe and hygienic. As you see in the picture, a cable is given with which it is compatible with all USB ports. It works with electricity and consumes 5 watts. Let me tell how it operates and kills the bugs or mosquitoes. When you connect this product to the electrical outlet, it emits an ultraviolet light that traps the mosquitoes or bugs into it, and thereby it is collected in this box, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. If any of you like this video or like this product, do comment, share, subscribe. Now we'll see how it works, right? Let's go. As you see in the picture, I'm connecting the cable to the adapter, and now let's plug in. We have used this product multiple times. It works, but only 50% of the mosquitoes will be cleared or killed with this product or device, whatever you call. Okay, getting back to mosquito lamp or bug zapper. As you see in the picture, once you connect to the electrical outlet, you have to switch off the lights in the room and then wait for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then you see the result.
2 hours later.
As shown in the video, you can remove the lid and see how the mosquitoes or the bugs were trapped and killed with just a light. Right? It's pretty interesting. If you want one in your house to ward off mosquitoes or bugs or any kind of flying insects, you can check this product on Amazon stores at 70% off. And let me tell you, it produces a kind of buzz sound. It's not loud. So you can happily go for this product and prevent mosquito bites or bug bites and stay healthy and happy, right? And that's it all for today. Do like, share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Share with your friends and family if you like this video. Keep smiling. Have a good day.